Okay, so can I see your license one more time?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, that's good. So before we start the test, I'll read you some important information.
Yeah.
You'll be expected to obey all rules of the road.
Sure.
The speed limits, traffic signs, traffic signals.
Okay.
Signal any changes of direction. When observing, looking around, move your head, not just your eyes.
Sure.
All cellular, Bluetooth devices must be silenced and cannot be used anytime.
Sure.
Cruise control, automated parking, traffic jam assist cannot be used.
Okay.
After the test, you can obtain a copy of the results inside the office counter A. And do you have any questions?
I have, like for reverse, there's a back camera that's works sometimes, so I will not be looking at it, but
Sure.